they want to be with you. There's up to 3 people that are very focused on you, that have romantic feelings for you. For some of you, I feel like this could be one person that has already got a family. So this individual is married already. I'm hearing that they are prone to cheating and they want to do it again with you. For others of you, I feel like this could be a friend of the family. Say your cousin's best mate or your cousin's friend's sibling that may have met you during some type of family gathering, or your uncle's friend. That could be a female if you are a masculine, or that could be quite tricky for some of you. It could be your uncle's friend, quote unquote, but she's looking at the nephew, which is you. Maybe your uncle's friend is nearer to your age or something of that sort. For others of you, this person is single and they just feel like if they were to get into a relationship with you, it could break down their whole family dynamic. So this could mean that you and this other person could be different in some way. They feel like getting into a connection with you, for the third energy, would affect the conditionings of their family. Whatever the case is, this person feels very trapped and stuck in the mind because they want to escape from how they feel. So for some of you, they may try and downplay their feelings, repress their feelings, but their feelings keep creeping back up. And then when they feel like they're okay, the feelings are not taking over, the mere glance of you, when they see you, the feelings creep back up. And it's almost as if they get angry with themselves. They could get angry with you for making them feel this way. And they just feel this sense of entrapment. This person sees you as very dynamic, fresh energy, something unique, eccentric, an energy that they've never encountered before. You awaken something exciting within this individual and they feel an urge to give to you. They feel an urge to express how they feel towards you in whichever way they know how to. They want to invest in this connection. They definitely are very passionate about you. They're very highly attracted to you. They see you as exotic, unique, and it's the very difference that you possess which makes them drawn to you even more. They cannot take their eyes off of you. They feel like you stand out, you gain a lot of attention, you got their attention, and they think of ways to interact with you. Again, there's an indication here of them feeling like if they were to take this leap of faith with you, it will cause a lot of disharmony within their family. So for instance, if this individual is married and they step out with you, not to say that you would want to step out with them, they feel like they can get so engrossed by you that they may end up hurting. Obviously, if you step out on your partner, it's not going to be a great thing, is it? But they just feel like this is the type of connection whereby they will feel that they won't want to stop investing in, and it will eventually destroy their family and their structure and what they built up. And that could lean on into the other two energies as well. Like if it's your uncle's friend or like a cousin, little brother or little sister or something, they just feel like it will mess up a friendship. It will just mess a lot of different things up. Even if this person's single, they just feel like their family may not approve.